Dear student, see next topic of the same chapter matrix, invertible matrix. What is invertible matrix? Let A is any square matrix whose order is m into n. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. It is square. And if there exists another square matrix of the same order as B, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, means unit. When you find the product of A and B and product is I, means unit matrix, then B is called inverse of A, and here A is said to be invertible matrix. So B is equal to A inverse, and if B is equal to A inverse, then A will be equal to inverse of B. Here you will remember, for invertible matrix A and B both should be square of the same order, and if AB is defined, then you can write, or also you can verify this result: inverse of AB is equal to inverse of B into inverse of A. Now next topic is how to find the inverse of any square matrix by elementary operation. Here there are two types of operation: row operation and column operation. See first, by row operation, how to find the inverse of any square matrix. Let A is any square matrix, so first you will write A is equal to AI by property. When you multiply by I, so I into A is A. Now this is the first step. Write A is equal to AI. Then you will remove this relation in I is equal to BA. Means here on the left side, this I, this A should be equal to I. So this will become I. And on the right side, BA, where B will be inverse of A. So you will reduce this relation in this form. Let A is this matrix written here, A is equal to IA, and this left side reduce this thing in I. I means here should be these elements as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You will reduce here. So how can you reduce? Here you have to remember, by 7 steps you can reduce 3 into 3 order matrix and you can find the inverse of A. So first step is making first element, that is A11 is equal to 1. Means here apply R1 times to R1 upon A1, means from R1 dividing by this A. Remember, making this element is equal to 1. And if here is 0, then you can interchange. If first element is 0, then interchanging R1 and R2. If first element R2 is 0, then interchanging R1 and R3. Okay, then apply this thing. Now in this way, when you can apply on both the sides, you will apply here and here. R1 times to R1 upon A11, means dividing by this, then this element will become 1. Now second step is making this and this, means A21 and A31 is equal to 0. You will make this and this value 0. Here this first element becomes 1. So using this element by operation R2 means this thing tends to A21, this element A21 into R1, means in this element multiplying by A21 and subtracting from R2, and for this R3 times to R3 minus A31 R1, means in this element multiplying by this and multiplying by this, then subtracting from R3 and subtracting from R2. So remember here R2 tends to R2 minus A21 R1, and R3 times 2 R3 minus A31 R1. After applying this and this, element D and G will become 0. Now next step, making this element is equal to 1. Step by step you will move, means E should be equal to 1. E, that is 8 to 1, 8 to 2. So in third step, making 8 to 1. How can you make? Applying R2 times 2, R2 upon A2, means dividing by this element in R2 on both the side. Okay, then this E will become 1. Now next step 4, making A3 to 0. A3 to means what? Making this element 0. So for this, apply R3 times 2, R3 minus A3 to R2. A32 is this. This element multiplying by this and subtracting from R3. Then this H will become 0. Now next step, step number 5, making this I is equal to 1. So next 5 step में A33 is equal to 1. For this, R3 times 2 R3 upon A33 means in R3 divided by this I. Then this element will become 1. Now in step 6, making A23 means this and this. A23 and A13 is equal to 0. So for these, applying R2 times 2 R2 minus A23 R3 and R1 times 2 R1 minus A13 R3. So applying these two, this and this will become 0. So in this way, and in next last step is making this element 0, means B should be 0. For this, B means here 8, 1, 2 is equal to 0. So applying R1 times 2 R1 minus A12 R2. Now from how can you move from this figure? First you will make this element 1. In second step, D and G should be moving like this. D and G should be 0. In third step, making this element 1. In next step, making H 0. In next step, making I 1. In next F 0. Next step C 0, and last 7 step is B should be 0. So after applying these 7 steps, your left side becomes unit matrix. So A is equal to AI, you will write in first step and reduce this thing in I is equal to B. Means left side, this thing will become unit matrix, and on the right side, here B will be, in place of B, you will get inverse of A. Why? Because A inverse into A is equal to I. Here will be A inverse. Okay, from the example exercise problem easily you can understand, but here you have to remember these 7 steps how to find the inverse of a square matrix. This is the elementary, known as elementary operation. This is the lengthy procedure, but you can do if you remember these 7 steps. Now tomorrow I will explain from example how can you find the inverse.